Welcome to this meditation from my garden. Today we're going to spend a few moments in meditation linking to our breath and cultivating the quality of patience. Lao Tzu wrote, "Nature does not hurry, and yet everything is accomplished." Today we'll spend some time with the squash blossoms, the ripening tomatoes, the gentle sway of the wildflowers in the breeze. And we'll invite this quality into our bodies, into our breath, and into our present state of mind. So as you're ready, find a comfortable seat, whatever is comfortable for you today. Bring awareness to your back body, lengthen your spine. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. As you're ready, take a deep inhale. And exhale. Release any tension in the jaw, the space between the eyebrows. Become aware of your sensory experience, the image of the garden before you, the sounds of the space, the bird song, the breeze, the city alive with human activity, as well as the constant hum of the natural world. We'll take 3 deep breaths. As you're ready, inhale. Feel your lungs expand, your belly expand. Pause at the top of the breath. And exhale. Release and settle into your body, into this moment. We'll do that 2 more times. Deep inhale. Pause. Exhale. Settle and release. 1 more time. Deep inhale. Pause. Exhale. Settle and release. With your eyes still open, focus your attention again on the image and sounds before you. Pause for a moment. How does it feel right here? How is the pulse of your own breath? As you're ready, close your eyes, take another deep inhale, and keep the image, sounds, and reflections close within your mind's eye, and exhale and settle. What energies of the garden bring you patience? Where in your own life do you want to cultivate patience? The patience of the natural world, this gift, this reminder. What areas in your life are asking you to breathe? How does it feel in your body when you connect with this quality of patience, this moment of cultivation and acceptance? How does it feel inside your mind? Bring your attention to the inner world of your own body. Feel the breath as it moves your body gently. Feel the upward lift of the inhale and the downward settling of each exhale. John Kabat-Zinn writes, "In taking up meditation, we are cultivating the quality of patience every time we stop and sit and become aware of the flow of our own breathing. And this invitation to ourselves to be more open, more in touch, more patient with our moments, naturally extends itself to other times in our lives as well. We know that things unfold according to their own nature. We can remember to let our lives unfold in the same way." As you're ready, start to gently bring awareness back into your body. Take a moment to observe any subtle shifts, the pulse of your breath, the flow of your mind. Take another deep inhale. Exhale and release. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to the image before you. Thank you for sharing this time with me today, and thank you for taking the time to honor your own body, breath, and mind, as well as the beauties of the natural world and the gifts that they provide. If you feel so inclined to share a word or thought in the comments, I would love to hear what you are grateful for today. And as always, I invite you to rest here as long as you like. Be well.